Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we will discuss about cess. So what is the meaning of cess? So you go for notes for your reference. What is cess? A cess is a form of tax levied by the government on tax with specific purposes till the time the government gets enough money for that purpose. Different from the usual taxes and duties like excise and personal income tax, a cess is imposed as an additional tax besides the existing tax. For example, the Swachh Bharat cess is levied by the government for cleanliness activities, that is understanding across India. A cess generally paid by the everyday public is added to their basic tax liability paid as part of total tax paid. Difference between tax and cess. A cess is different from taxes as it is imposed as an additional tax besides the existing tax. Another difference lies in the way the revenue recovered from cess is maintained. While revenue from taxes like income tax is kept in the consolidated fund of India and the government can use it for any purposes it deems fit, the revenue coming from cess is first credited to the consolidated fund and the government may then after due appropriation from parliament utilizes it for the specific purpose. Another major difference between central taxes and cess is that the proceeds of a cess may or may not be shared with the state government, while that of taxes have to be shared. Various types of cess levied by the government. The government levies different cesses on services it provides to the public. Some of them are as follows. First one, education cess, collect by the government to provide the mandatory free standard primary education to all citizens. Health cess, proposed in 2018 by former Finance Minister Arun Jaitley to meet the health requirement of below poverty line families. Road cess or fuel cess, for maintenance of roads and infrastructure. Clean energy cess, introduced in 2010, it is a carbon tax on the production and import of coal, lignite and peat operating on the polluter pays principle. Krishi Kalyan cess, it was introduced in 2016 to provide additional support to farmers for agricultural activities. Swachh Bharat cess, introduced in 2014 with the objective of delivering a clean India. It is levied at 0.5% on all taxable services to fund Swachh Bharat initiatives. Okay friends, so these are the various types of cess. So now we move to tally. So how to create cess with GST? So there are three types of cess. Cess based on value, cess based on quantity, cess based on values and quantities. So today we will see cess on value based. Okay. So now we will move to tally. I have already created one company. So now create the related ledger for calculating cess. So go to the create option, select ledger. So create purchase account and sales account. So purchase at 28%. Purchase at 28%. So these are all luxury items. So that's why it comes under 28% GST slab rate. Under purchase account. Yes, nature of transaction. Here don't specify anything. You just press enter and accept. Create sales account. Sales at 28%. under sales account. Accept. Goods. Create customer and supplier ledger. Rakesh and Company. Under sundry creditor. Purnima and Company. Under sundry debtors. So create tax ledger. CGST at 14%. CGST at 14%. Duties and taxes. Select GST. Select central tax. Yes, GST at 14%. Under duties and taxes, select GST, select state tax. So now create cess. So today I am going to create stock item cigarettes. So cigarettes based on value 5% additional, 5% cess. Cess at 5%. So this percentage is different from other tobacco products. 20%, 30%, 50%, 70%, 120, 150%. That is depend upon quality of luxury items of tobacco. Okay. Under duties and taxes, select GST, select cess, select based on value. So today we are discussing on based on value. Accept it. So now move to stock item. Stock item, cigarette, 75 mm. Under primary, so create units, pack, PAC, full form PACK. So you have to specify here only GST slab rate. Set alter GST details, set to yes. HSN code. HSN code for cigarette 240222020. This is the HSN code. On value taxable 28%. So here very important, you have to specify here 5%. Goods. Accept. Okay. So now move to accounting voucher. Go to vouchers. Select purchase voucher. Type invoice number. Party account name. Rakesh and Company. Purchase at 28%. Select cigarette. 5,000 packs. 100 rupees per packs. Press one more enter. Select CGST. Select SGST. Select cess at 5%. So 25%. So 5 lakh into 5 divided by 100, that is 25,000. So 25,000 is a cess. This is based on value. So based on this 5 lakh value. Accept. New reference. Accept. So now move to sales. Party account name. Purnima and Company. Sales at 28%. Cigarettes. So 5,000 packs. 120 per pack. CGST. SGST cess. So 5%, 6 lakh into 5 divided by 100, that means 30,000 is a cess. So 84,000, that is 28%. So 6 lakh into 28 divided by 100, that is 1 lakh 68,000. So 14, 84,000. Okay. So now check it in balance sheet. So type the invoice number. Escape. Balance sheet. Alt F1. So go to the duties and taxes. So this is payable taxes. Cess at 5%, 5,000. See here, press one more enter. So input says 25,000, output says 30,000. Difference is 5,000. That is payable cess. CGST, input 70,000, output 84,000, remaining balance 84,000 minus 70,000, 14,000 is the payable CGST. Like that, SGST. So 84,000 minus 70,000, 14,000. So 14,000 is a payable SGST. So total payable tax 33,000 including cess. Okay friends, I think you got my point. Okay friends, in my next video we will discuss on based on quantities, cess based on quantities. So till now we learned how to calculate cess with GST on based on value. Okay friends, so please subscribe to my channel without fail. Please like it and share it. Thank you very much for watching my video.